How are you guys doing? I got a little video for you. We're getting really close to Halloween, so I wanted to show you what you can look at today. We have some skulls. Now, these are all clean and they're real. This is a real skull, and you can touch it. When you're handling these skulls, be very careful. They're old. In fact, that's why they're a little bit yellow. It's not because they're dirty, it's just because they're old. And these are from the science department here at Suttons Bay. And I want you to look at these skulls, and I want you to look at the teeth, and I want you to try to figure out what these animals might have eaten. What do you think they would eat? If you have something that has some flat teeth, like this skull, this type of animal is going to eat a lot of plants. We have a word for that. We call it an herbivore. Something that eats plants, eats herbs. Herbivore. This thing has a huge front tooth. Pow, 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 pow. And then flat teeth down here. What do you think this might eat? What animal do you think this might be? Two big front teeth? Now, what about something that has some really sharp teeth? What do you think this might be? In fact, it's a really big skull. What kind of animal do you think it might be? Anything that has really sharp teeth, we know it's going to eat meat, right? Because it needs the sharp teeth to eat the meat. We call that a carnivore. What if you only had the teeth? What if you didn't have the whole skull? What if you just had teeth? Oh, here's some teeth. And look, they're really sharp. Really sharp. So what must this animal eat? Really sharp teeth. I want you to look at these skulls, try to figure out what they might eat, and then you're going to do your own study. This first one's pretty simple. You've got an animal. There's some food. There's a cat. Well, we know that cats like to eat a lot of tuna, so we would take the cat down to the fish. Fish, cat. What about the mouse? Well, we're reading a lot of stories that the mice, well, they like to eat cheese. So you just draw a line to the cheese. Once you finish that one, this is a little more complicated, but you can do it. This one you're actually going to cut out. It's like a puzzle. So you'll cut these pieces out, and then you'll match the food to the animal. So I see a penguin here. What might a penguin eat? Well, let's look way down here. There's some fish. Penguins love fish. Here's a little rabbit. What might a rabbit eat? I find rabbits in my garden, so I'm going to look up here at the carrot. Cut these out, try and match the food to the animal, and have fun.